Hi guys, I just received my Boxy charm last week, so I'm just doing a video now. Um, this box is $25 per month, yeah, this is the box for September 2020. I have taken the items out of the box, so let me just show you what I have received in the box. Now the first thing that comes in there, and it says Boxy Charm Glam Vibes Only. And then in the back, it has a list of the products, which I like. And yeah, let me just show you these items that I received. I'm going to show you the packaging. And this is the first item, and it is Kate Somerville, and it says it's skin health expert, all skin types. And this is an intense exfoliating treatment. And this is for the face. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And it says it's clinically formulated to visibly transform texture and pure in 2 minutes. And this is for, it says facial exfoliated dull, dry surface skin cells to reveal smoother, radiant, pure, perfected skin in just 2 minutes. So it's supposed to remove the dead skin cells. And this course, I can't believe the price, $85. Wow. But it's a decent size, so that's what that looked like. Then the next item that I received is by, and this is, it says Hipdot Zen Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh, I like the packaging. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. And these are the colors. And it has a mirror on top. So these are nice colors. Wow. And some of the colors are sand tone, canyon, maze. So pretty. And again, this is what the front looks like. And this is the front. Then I wanted to tell you the price of that. The price is, for that Hipdot, the eyeshadow palette, is $30. That's not bad. It says, contouring the majestic beauty of natural sweeping Utah Canyon. Take your look to the next level. And dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the rich purple of Zen. This is cruelty-free, vegan, talcum-free, and a lot of other things. So, yeah, that's what that is. Now, the next thing here is a lipstick, and it's by Hank and Henry. And this is what it looks like. And it opens like, I forgot how I did it. Like that, it comes down when you push it on top. And this is what it looks like. It's real shimmery red. It looked like a red, but I'll tell you what the color is. And this is what it looks like on my hand. Really pretty. And this is called, let's see, it says Lip Love Luxe lipstick, but let me just see what it says. It says love here, but I'll put it in the description to let you know for sure if that's the color. And again, this is the lipstick. And that lipstick costs $18. It says here, love your lips with Lip Love Luxe lipstick. That is luxurious lipstick, is decorated in a beautiful shimmered coating that dissolves as it is applied to your lips. And it has a satiny finish, a creamy satiny finish, and moisturizing cream finish. And again, just want to let you know the price is $18. Now, the next thing I received is by Laura Geller, and it says the voluming brush for mega lashes, and this is a mascara, and this is the packaging for it. And here it is here. And I'm going to open it just to show you. This is, and this is in the color black. So this is Laura Geller's mascara. And the price, let me just read what it says. It says Laura Geller, Lashboss, Bold Mascara in black. It says it goes the mile extra. Oh no, it says it goes go the mile. Let me just read it again. But it says go the extra mile and give your lashes an enchanting, lengthening, and curly effect in a few strokes. It's soft, smooth, and flexible formula. And it says with silky feel. And this right here is $24 for this mascara. Then the next and last item that I received is the $1 billion beauty sponge, and it says it's vegan, charcoal infused. And just want to show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like for this blender. And the price of this is $15. Excuse the birds in the back. They're whistling. And let me just put this here and this here. And like I said, this is $15. And it says this charcoal infused beauty sponge provides the perfect application for any liquid foundation, concealer, or highlighter. And yes, this is all the products that I received in my Boxy charm. And like I said, I paid $25 for a monthly subscription. And yeah, I just hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Or subscribe. And I just want to thank you again for watching. Goodbye.